The Welsh National Honey Show, or honey section of the Royal Welsh Show, is held in the horticulture tent, and it's been running for as long as the Royal Welsh Show itself. Now, this is the opportunity for local beekeepers, in fact beekeepers from around the UK, to enter their produce. So anything from honey to anything that the bee makes, such as the bee's wax in particular. But in the honey section, there are several sections for different colour of honey, things like light, medium, dark, set, heather honey, creamed honey, and chunk honey, and also things that you can make with honey. So things like mead, the alcoholic drink, various types of mead categories, and non-alcoholic honey drinks, as well as honey cakes, honey sweets, and that kind of thing. And with the wax, there are things like there are categories for polish and for candles and for just a simple wax cake. And there are also sections for the commercial beekeeper, so 12 jars of honey, for example, things like that. At the honey show, we sell the honey of the exhibitors and also of the beekeepers that work there. And we also have demonstrations. We have an observation hive that the public can come and look at and see the bees actually working. In fact, there used to be an observation section to the honey show, but unfortunately when Varroa came in 1992, that had to be ended. So it kind of had its own lockdown, if you like. And we also do rolling candles and things like that. And there are artistic sections, so people can enter photographs, they can create something artistic, and from various things to do with bees. People often ask what kind of flowers that the bees would like, and the scientist at the Botanical Gardens has told us that even simple things like willow, hawthorn, cotoneaster, apple, cherry, sycamore, all those kind of things, very useful for bees.